Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Not in recipes where acidity would be a problem. Buttermilk is acidic, and that's why adding alkaline soda creates fun for baked goods, whereas milk is slightly alkaline. You can deal with the acidity by adding 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, not baking powder, per cup of buttermilk in recipes that call for milk or cream.
Take our lead.
Heavy cream is thick because of its high butterfat content. Buttermilk is used in biscuits and scones as a liquid, flavoring agent, the sourness, and acidic ingredient that reacts with baking soda to produce CO2. Heavy cream, on the other hand, is used to provide some or all of the fat.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Because of this, you will usually need less baking soda or baking powder when using buttermilk in your baked goods. For each cup of buttermilk used instead of milk, you will want to use 2 teaspoons less baking powder and add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Acidity. Unlike regular milk, buttermilk is naturally acidic. It reacts with leavening agents in recipes such as baking soda and baking powder to produce lighter, fluffier textures and consistencies. Thickness. Buttermilk is thicker than regular milk.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Buttermilk brings a pleasant tang to cakes, breads, biscuits and other family favorites while adding very little fat. Like yogurt and sour cream, this acidic ingredient also helps tenderize gluten, giving baked goods a softer texture and more body. Plus, it helps quick breads rise.
Take our lead.
Sour milk is not the same as buttermilk. Buttermilk is either purposefully cultured to get a sour taste or is the byproduct of butter making. If raw milk sours, it's perfectly fine to drink, and that's the way most of the world drinks milk. But if pasteurized milk sours, it's just on its way to going bad.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Buttermilk is considerably lower in calories and fat content but high in calcium, vitamin B12 and potassium than regular milk. Also, 1 cup of buttermilk accounts for 2.2 grams of fat, while the same amount of milk gives you 9 grams of fat. Buttermilk is also easily digestible than milk.
Take our lead.
The thickness of the two substances are similar, but expect the fat content of your finished product to be different. Buttermilk is made from low or non-fat milk, while evaporated milk is made from whole-fat milk. Use buttermilk to replace other liquids in baked goods.
Take our lead.
Store-bought buttermilk is a slightly sour milk that comes from a combination of milk and lactic acid. It is thicker than plain milk, with a subtle tang. In recipes that call for buttermilk, it is not recommended to replace buttermilk with plain milk, because the absence of acid will not produce the same end result.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.